equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The hinge on your Dell XPS can become loose or break over time due to regular use or stress on the device. If not repaired promptly, this can lead to further damage to the screen or internal components, making it essential to address the issue quickly. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and some replacement screws. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of the Dell XPS, taking care not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the hinge assembly, which is typically situated near the screen's base. You may notice that the screws securing the hinge are either loose or missing. Remove the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, and gently detach the hinge from the device. When replacing the hinge, ensure you align it correctly with the mounting points. Secure it with the new screws, applying moderate force to ensure they are tight but not over-tightened, as this could damage the casing. Be cautious of any cables nearby while working, as they can be easily damaged. Once the new hinge is in place, reattach the back cover by pressing it down until you hear the clip snap back into place. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, avoid applying excessive force when opening or closing your laptop, and ensure that the device is not subjected to unnecessary stress. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.